Hi guys, so today my dad brought me some fidgets and he put them in things that was laying around the house and I'm really excited, so let's do this. Okay, so it looks like he brought me a squishmallow. His name is Nassim, something like that. I'll keep it right there though. Next, I think I'm going to go with the Santa thingy. So let's open it. So it looks like we've got a neon yellow monkey noodle, it looks like. And he also gave us a marble mesh, how nice. And then I think I see something else. Ooh, a ladder. I forgot what it's called, but I think it's called like a ladder thingy. That's nice of him. Let's put that to one side. Next, we're going to open the chest. Okay, let's open it. So it looks like we've got... Ooh, it looks like we've got a stress ball. How nice. I love the colours. Okay. And ooh, a tangle. That feels so nice. One sec. Got stuck on my finger. There we go. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, that's really nice of him. Now I think I'm going to open these two like egg thingies. So let's open. I think we'll open this one. Right. So he gave us, well at least me, our little polar bear mochi. That's so cute. Okay. Next, let's open it. Ooh, what's in there? Oh, it looks like a white mochi. Whoa, it's a cloud mochi. That is so cute. Okay, now let's open this one. One sec. By the way, guys, this is just he wrapped them around the house with things laying around the house. So all of this isn't like ordered or anything. He just he did like buy the fidgets though. Whoa, it's like a mini stress ball, and it even colour changes. Oh, it's quite hard to squish, but it's just because it's new. But see how that colour changes to pink and to yellow? That is so cool. That is really nice. Okay, now we're going to do the big reveal. Okay. Oh, whoa, there's loads of stuff. So we've got a rainbow heart poppet. And then we've got an ice cream poppet. That is so nice. Now we've got, ooh, is this like a textured monkey noodle? It's like a caterpillar. Ooh. What's this? Oh, a normal monkey noodle. Look at that. That's so nice. Okay, now we have a poppet ball. Yes. That is so nice of him. Like, literally just so nice. Okay. Now we've got, oh, a little cat mochi, look at her. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's, an octopus, poppet thingy. It's kind of hard to pop with one hand, but it does pop in. Oh, those are so good. Wait, you ready to hear the loud ones? So. That wasn't really that loud. But we've got like this a dimple kind of thingy, dimple digit, like keychain thing we can have. Oh my gosh, a fidget cube. Whoa, that is so good. So good. I really do like the clicker. Or the joystick as well is really nice. think this is the last one. A rainbow snapper. That is so good. Okay. Oh, one last one. Oh, it's a wacky track. That is so nice. Thank you, Dad, if you're watching this. Alrighty, so bye guys.